Alright, let's look at the homework one, problem number 3. Alright, so we have this telescoping series. Alright, so we want to find the sum. Alright, so let's look at each term. So it's 1 over n squared plus n. Alright, so we can factor out the denominator. So this is n is in common, so pull out n. Then you would have n plus 1. Right? And do the partial fractions, and you're going to have to do it. But I believe that it's going to come out to be 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. Alright, so you can kind of double check and take the common denominator. You have n plus 1 minus n, so you're going to have 1. So this is going to be that. Alright, so let's find the partial sum. So s of n. Alright, so partial sum is going to be, so n is going to start from 1, then it's going to go all the way to n. So I'm going to write the first few terms and the last few terms. Alright, so n equals 1, so it's a 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. Right? And next one is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. And plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. So those are the first 3 terms. And then last 3 terms would be, right, so very last one, so I'm going to just kind of go backward, right? So if it's n, so last one would be 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1, right? So the one before would be, right, so it's 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n. And the one before would be 1 over n minus 2 minus 1 over n minus 1. Right, so it's kind of hard to see. Alright, so let's do a cancellation. So you can see that here there's a negative 1/2 and a positive 1/2, and negative 1/3 and the positive 1/3. So it looks like the two adjacent one will be canceled out. So negative 1/4, the next one would be positive 1/4. And do you have a 1 over n minus 2? So negative 1 over n minus 2 is one before. And these guys cancel out. And these guys cancel out. Alright, so you can see that we have, you have 1, and you have minus 1 over n plus 1. Right? So this is how you find the partial sum. Right? So only thing left is take the limit of this partial sum. If the limit exists, that limit is going to be the sum of this telescoping series. Right? I hope that this will get you guys going.